like apples and cheese, then you are going to love this apple pie cheesecake with delicious almond crumb topping. It's full of juicy apples and light creamy cheesecake. Plus, it's really simple to make. For this recipe, we'll need only 2 large apples. Peel and cut them to small cubes. In medium-high heat saucepan, combine apples, then squeeze half fresh lemon juice, sugar, and pinch of cinnamon. Add water and then cook until the water completely dissolves and apples become soft. It takes approximately 10 to 15 minutes. For the crumb topping, we'll need almond flour, regular cake flour, granulated sugar, you can as well use brown sugar if you prefer, and butter. Here I'm cutting small pieces, this way it's faster to combine all ingredients together. Your hands are best tool in the kitchen, that's why using clean hands mix until you form a crumbles, then pop it to the fridge. For the bottom crust of cake, crushed your favorite cookie. Here I'm using oatmeal vanilla cookies, then combine them with melted unsalted butter. Transfer your cookies to your baking form pan, which I already lined with a parchment paper, and press to the bottom. Now, on top of the crust, add your soft apples. Make sure to even up and press. Now let's make quickly cheese filling. In a large mixing bowl, beat soft cream cheese with powdered sugar over medium speed until fluffy. Add half a lemon juice and plain yogurt. Make sure the yogurt is room temperature, then mix all together. Then we'll add 2 eggs, one at a time. For dry ingredients, add potato starch and beat until the mixture is smooth. Pour the cheese filling on top of your apples, and you can even up by shaking. On top of the cake, sprinkle with your cold crumb. Place your cake to larger pan and add water, maybe halfway of the size of the pan. With this cake, there would be few steps to bake. First, start with 320 degrees for 30 minutes. Then lower your temperature to 250 for again 30 minutes. And then, to get this beautiful golden brown topping, raise the temperature to 380 and still bake for 10 to 15 minutes. I can guarantee you the cake would be cooked perfectly. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.